This might be the worst idea I've ever had. I love when girls at like work or school ask to borrow a hair tie and I hand them this. I ask somebody else for a hair tie and they give me like the most scrawny piece of string I've ever seen. No. Honey, we need girth. You think all of this hair, oh my God, watch. How'd you get all of that? In a bun. It's girth, baby. Girth is the secret. You need a girthy. I'm glad I have upper arm strength now. I previously didn't, but my job now has given me some upper arm strength. So it's a little bit easier to put my hair up. Editing Madison here. I'm really bad at providing context. So the next clip is my outfit of the day, and then me and Ricky are going to the thrift store to shop for a monochromatic outfit. That's what's going on. I did not think it would go this well. They're 6s. Okay, but we already found stuff that matches so well, and it's terrible. So these shoes are like plasticky. I don't even know what brand they are. They're like slippers, but they have giant bows on them. And there's a purse that's the same color. These are really cute, but they're too small.
Oh, they match. Oh my God. They're like perfect.
Advanced thrifting move. Advanced. That might be cute. That's a fantastic red. Yeah, I'm buying it. And then I'm gonna give it to you after I wear it one time. Context again. We left the thrift store. We didn't find an outfit. We're eating Chick-fil-A. Isn't it cool that the Lord's Chicken gives you points?
Oh my God.
Do you think when you get into heaven, God looks at your Chick-fil-A points?
They're like, man, you went to Chick-fil-A 80,000 times.
I want to name my cat Nugs.
Do it.
Have a cat.
Get a cat.
Over-explain how I over-explain. More context. Ricky just bought flowers and a card for somebody that she doesn't talk to anymore, and we're gonna drop them off on her porch.
Oh my God. Are you really stressed? Yes, I'm actually very stressed.
You're not the one going up there.
Okay, you do whatever, but I'm driving. Okay. I'll put my glasses on. Maybe they won't know it's me.
I mean, you can pull up. You don't have to be like right in front of the door.
Yeah,
you
I'll
can
pull farther.
where they
I'm gonna
can't
pull
see.
farther.
Yeah, pull past it.
Oh, the garage is open. We can't. The garage is open. He's like, sure, she's right inside. No.
And I fucking pulled. Finished or done? I just finished getting my eyebrows done. This lady is a whiz. I've been going to her for years. And they look fantastic, as always. I took my hair down because I was taking selfies. Because they look so good. I always take my best selfies after I leave her place. So we're going to the Lord's craft store after we had the Lord's lunch. Don't you love living in the Bible Belt?
It's a little boy with a card. The card takes people from us. Literally to do it. Jesus Christ. You can't buy them here. Come on.
That's about how usable of a thing it is.
$1,000 Christmas tree for $100, and it comes in 2 boxes. That little girl just called me a loser.
I don't think
She
so.
said, "Hey, loser."
The girl who checked us out at Hoblob was really cute. Super cute. Very, very cute. Might give her my phone number. I don't know. She was cute. Now we're going to Walmart. I told somebody that I go by Madison the other day, and they were like, oh my God, I'm so glad you go by Madison. They were like, I know too many Maddies. And I think that's so cool, because I remember when it was lame to go by Madison. Like, sure, I think I look like a Madison too, so.
Yeah, if Maddie was like, hi, I'm Madeline, I'd be like,
oh my God, there's this guy in one of my classes that I knew him for like 2 weeks and he never told me his name.
Oh,
and then one day I was like, I'm so sorry, dude. Like, I don't know your name. Like, that's super rude of me. And he was like, no, you're fine. I didn't tell you. My name is Gage. And I went, no, it's not. And he said, yeah, it is. I said,
you don't look like a Gage.
You don't look like a Gage. And he's like,
John.
what do you mean? And I was like, you look like a Jacob. As we leave the clearance aisle that I told Ricky not to go down, Ricky goes, where Where is that thing anyways? We are getting, well, I guess we're not getting distracted. I'm not getting distracted. We just spent 5 minutes in the clearance aisle. I need to make a story time on that. The time I spent 8 hours straight in a Walmart. It's one of the worst things I've ever experienced. It was awful. Ricky is gonna blow out my hair. My hair has not been touched with that amount of heat in a very long time, in years. I'm afraid it really won't be cute because the last time I flat ironed my hair was so thick that it wasn't cute. It didn't make a difference. But I'm gonna make her brush out my hair, which should be funny and interesting. I thought they cut the donut in half.
No. It's literally a donut, 2 chicken strips, and a donut. Or you can get 2 chicken strips and a donut on the side.
I just want the one donut. Okay. I just ordered the donut sandwich from KFC, and I'm so excited about it. I really hope it's delicious. Oh yeah, I just love me a good glazed donut. I'll give you a review while Ricky's brushing out my hair. I am about to try the KFC chicken donut thing. So this is what it looks like. Obviously you got french fries and they're kind of on top of the donut and the donut's dripping. I want to taste this. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, that's good. Yeah, It tastes like a cinnamon roll. And now I'm going to teach Ricky how to brush on my hair. Make sense?
Yep.
Okay.
You need to spray it?
Yeah, do whatever. I mean, whatever order you want to do it in. Yeah, you can get closer to it because you kind of want to soak the hair.
Okay.
Yeah, that's much better. Yeah. And we're gonna do the same with the next section.
Yeah.
When you pull like this, it doesn't put as much stretch on my scalp.
Your brush is broken.
No, it's not. It just does that. That's so you can clean it. Then brush out this fistful. And then this fistful. No, what you're doing is so wrong.
Oh, I don't know.
Don't do it from here. You have to start down here. I told you. Did I not tell you it was gonna look terrible? That everybody tries to straighten my hair and it's always too thick and frizzy and it looks terrible.
I'm afraid it really won't be cute because the last time I flat ironed my hair was so thick that it wasn't cute. It didn't make a difference.
It doesn't look terrible.
It doesn't look good.
No, it doesn't look terrible. Well, now half your hair is done. What you gonna do with the rest of it? I thought I could give it a shot.
Is people think that they can handle my hair and they can't. My entire life, all my friends have always wanted to like straighten my hair or braid my hair. Most of them don't make it all the way, but I did! She made it all the way. The thing with flat ironing my hair is that my hair is so thick.
So thick?
I haven't done anything to my hair. I haven't put any damage on it besides a very small blow dryer in probably 3 or 4 years. Okay, so she braided it. I F with some braids. I love this style of braids. I'll wear it all the time. Okay, that's probably the end of today. I think it's 9 o'clock at night. We've done a lot today. I'm exhausted. This was fun. I kind of enjoyed vlogging. I hope you guys liked it too. Bye! Editing Madison here. My hair is still kind of straight. We don't know what's going on with it. And also, the program that I use to edit takes forever to export. So right now I'm like 10 minutes late to class. Editing Madison here again. Same day, just an hour later. If anybody cares, the KFC sandwich was actually really good. The donut was very drippy. It was a really moist donut. It tasted kind of like cinnamon rolls. Like I said, it was very cinnamony. And then chicken tenders, it was just like sweet and crunchy and savory, and that's just kind of, I like the balance of the flavors.